Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Microsoft PC Manager in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Search for PC Manager. Hit enter. Now go to Microsoft PC Manager and click on Get. Now when you click on Get, it will start installing Microsoft PC Manager on your system. Okay, that's how it will download and install the Microsoft PC Manager on your system. Okay, and all you need to do after that is to open it. Wait, I'll show you. Click on open, and it will need a while because it has just installed, and then it will appear like it here, and then you can click on that and you can manage your PC, boost the performance, etc. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.